pay VAT on something that's being returned for repair?
No.
No.
That's this way. So if you have something like a guarantee one or something like this on, and your supplier say, okay, I will fix the problem, you will bring it into Germany, or it depends on the mode who is paying the freight and all these things, but you will bring it into Germany, and then the customs authority decided if they need a bond or not for this one.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a temporary import. The customs authority decided if must be a bond in place or not.
Mm-hmm.
It's really hard to say in advance. You can check it, but we are also facing the problem from time to time that the customs guys say, okay, no, with this high value, and I don't know what they will fix to the machine or something
Right.
like this, that they need a bond there in place. But is it a guarantee thing, then the supplier has to take care of it anyway. But if you send it over for preparation or fine tuning or something like this for temporary import, it could
no VAT.
no VAT, yeah.
Okay. No, that makes a lot of